Meet Hootnotes, the ridiculously easy collaborative playground for modern work. It brings notes, visuals, files, and real-time collaboration into one simple space. One of the most powerful parts of Hootnotes is the notepad. Instead of bouncing between PDFs, docs, and endless comment chains, your team can collaborate in one place. You can start comment threads, star the important ones, and resolve them once they're done. You can highlight text and ask Hoot Academy AI to shorten or expand, rewrite, or check grammar in seconds. When you're ready to bring others in, sharing is just one click away. Hit the purple share button, choose the permissions you want, then copy the link or email it. And the best part is that the person you send it to doesn't even need an account to view or contribute, which removes all friction. Now you can bring that notepad thinking onto the playground. Here's a marketing board for campaign and brand planning. Drop in sticky notes to capture ideas fast, build out personas, and map your messaging. Pull in inspiration with image search or generate visuals on the spot, then move everything around until the story clicks. Now imagine this for architecture and project delivery. Here, the plans, project overview, and design notes all live in one playground, so you're not jumping between tabs and tools. If a client wants a change, like adding a pool, you simply drop a pin on the plan and start a thread right there. The team can reply, clarify, and resolve it in context, so nothing gets lost in email chains. And when your project grows, the library manager keeps everything organized. Every plan, document, and reference file stays searchable and accessible in a click. Turn chaos into clarity with Hootnotes. Hootnotes. Notes that go further.